Unboxing today. See, this one is from Japan. So we ordered this from Japan because in the Philippines you cannot order this anymore, so it takes 2 weeks almost. It's very fragile. Here, this is for our other business, pangkabuhayan. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this. So this is really unboxing. So I have to unbox this. Alright, so this. It's Japanese. Alright, so okay. Oopsie. Okay. Drop something. It's Sharp brand. Sharp brand. Okay. Double it because it's from Japan and it's far away, so the double up the price. They double up the boxes. Okay, so like that. Careful. There's the thing inside. Okay. This one. And this is a charger. This is a charger or just
Power cable.
power cable. And now, oh, this is very. This is a cash register. Yeah, ordered from Japan because we went all over from Elevation, all SMs. It's out of stock. Mandaluyong, Makati, Landmark, Glorieta, Greenbelt, they don't have this anymore. From SM to Motivate, from Motivation to Bacoor, Dasma, they don't have this. So we have, and also they have this in online, but all like a last mall. But most reviews are so negative, so no choice but we have no choice but to order this in Japan. So we have to wait for like 2 weeks to arrive. And yeah, it's just, you know, the difference when you order this in other country is you need to pay taxes. Taxes is really expensive, almost 4,000 peso. So alright, so okay, this is just so since this is in Japan, so you have to expect that all the things here, all the programs, the names here are Nihongo or Japanese. So although we can download a manual of this in online, and then yeah, so need to program and encode the products, the items that we're selling. So yep. This is busy. So it is what it is. Very busy. So okay. So this one, yeah, in all the shops, especially in Mall of Asia, imagine Mall of Asia, it's the biggest one of mall in Asia, but they don't have this because any brand they don't have out of stock. You know, since it's just like economy in the Philippines getting back again to normal, so everyone, a lot of people's making business, so that's the reason why cash registers is out of stock in the country. Oh, diba? So many people want business, so many people making business, so expect that. Okay, so you want to plug this in?
No.
Why not? So where's the manual? Oh my goodness, the manual of this is Japanese. There's a key. Yeah, Jason download the English manual of this online because since this is from Japan, so expect that the manual is Japanese. Yeah, the manual is Nihongo. I don't know what to call it, but I know it's the manual of this is Japanese. So okay, we need to put the battery first.
I need to check as well.
Here's the key. What do you need to check on it?
If I can take these off, because I need to put writing underneath that to say what it is.
Okay. So you want to take this off?
Yeah.
So you can write what's under.
What it's meant to say.
What it's meant to say. Okay. Okay. So.
Yeah. So I can just stick something over
like
that. Like
translate it in English.
Correct.
And then you have to write it down in English.
So we've got to do all of those.
Okay. O diba it's too much work talaga when you have business. So yun.
Oh. Is there anything else in the box?
That's it.
Okay, so we need to get some.
So just need the
rolls.
battery. Huh?
Oh, is this one very small roll, I think?
There's a, yeah, for the receipt.
Yeah, we need to get more of them. Because that's tiny.
Yeah, you can buy it in the National Bookstore.
Yes, I know.
So this one is
Where did I just get that from?
here,
No,
where you can put the recibo, the receipt here, and that makes sounds, and then use this at the same time. Okay, we need to buy a big one.
We need to buy about 20 big ones.
Yeah. So, okay. Poprogram ko muna to. And encode other things also from the...
I think I've had another thought on how I'm going to program it. Instead of have it's going to be hundreds.
Yeah, we have hundreds
Just
of
have
dreams.
like code 001 will be 40
If it's the
pesos.
same price, yeah.
002, 50 pesos.
Yeah.
003, 60
Yeah.
pesos.
Okay, so thank you. Bye.